Hey everyone, it's Evan from Delta Triggers. I just want to talk to you a little bit about, the Delta Defense and the Delta Competition trigger. What does that actually entail? What does that relate to in terms of, the feeling and the brake and the over travel in a fully assembled gun? So this is my 19 Gen 5. This is got everything worked. This is actually set up for self-defense. All right, so this breaks at 4 pounds. Absolutely everything OEM in this gun. No aftermarket springs, no aftermarket connectors. Everything is stock. It's just super refined. So it's buttery smooth. I have slightly reduced the pre-travel. I don't have big hands, so even if it's meant for self-defense and you want a decent amount of play, it just doesn't sit comfortably in my hand. I mean, if it's just so far forward. So these are one of the things that you take into consideration. So that's 100% safe. Brake, there's nothing in there. Right, so I just want to show you, this is what I mean. So here's your pre-travel. Okay, it's generally a lot more than this, but I bring it back just enough so that it just sits, when I reach for it, it's like it's in a nice comfortable place. This gap, let me just show you guys here, this gap between the safety and the frame is how much more I can actually take this back if I wanted to. But I mean, it's a defensive pistol. I don't want to take it back that much. I want to have enough pre-travel, but I don't want so much that it's just uncomfortable. So that's one of the reasons why we do the pre-travel. We set it as per what the user's requirement is. Second thing is just the overall smoothness. I want it to be smooth. It doesn't have to be a gritty. It doesn't matter if it's a defensive pistol or a competition pistol. You want it to be silky smooth. I mean, all the competitors nowadays are coming out with crazy smooth triggers. So it's really nice and smooth, and you want a nice, clean, crisp brake. So here's the brake. It's really, really nice. I mean, it just, incredible. And then I'm going to hold this back because I want to show you what the reset is like. Okay, this is why you hold the trigger. You rack it, and then you let go. Okay, there's your reset. It is insanely quick. Now, whether you have a competition pistol or a defensive pistol, you want a quick reset. Your follow-up shot placement is better. You can get on target, back on it quicker. It's just really nice, and it's just a lot less movement. So these are the main things that we do. It's adjusting the pre-travel to what you want in a gun. Size of your hand. Women have smaller hands. I myself don't have big hands, so I want it a little bit back. Overall, I want my trigger system to be insanely smooth. I don't want to feel grit. I want a nice, clean, predictable brake. That's another thing. I don't want an insanely heavy trigger. I just don't want that. If I wanted to, I could change a connector in this, and I could add another, pound onto this thing if I wanted to. But I don't want that. I don't want it too light either. So, there's all of these variables we look at. Your over travel, I want it nice and quick. There's no reason why we can't have a nice quick reset, on these firearms. Glock has made an amazing platform. They were the pioneers in the striker industry. So, everyone else has caught up and has done an amazing job. But, in my opinion, Glock still has such amazing reliability, such a basic design. You could take this anywhere. I mean, this is the gun that I want in a zombie apocalypse, basically. I mean, I could fix it with a twig. So, yeah. That's basically what we do, guys. That's based in South Africa. We've brought this knowledge to the South African market. This is massive. If I look at the guys in the States that do this, it's a huge industry, and they really have been so innovative in what they've been able to accomplish. I mean, it's just never existed here in South Africa. And we've been very limited as to what aftermarket parts we can get as well. It's been really, really tough. But now we don't have to rely as much on aftermarket parts. You can really create something truly amazing using OEM parts, and then on the competition system, the only aftermarket thing that we use is two springs, but those are from well-renowned companies. So yeah, that's us in a nutshell. Check out our website. We've got everything up there, the services that we offer, the pre-made drop-in kits. Take a look, guys. deltatriggers.co.za. Cheers.